Do you know you might have a coin of value? A rare stamp or a banknote that is worth much more than what is written on it? Have you ever wondered how much it could be worth? Surely every day you spend money to live, every now and then you send or receive a letter, a package. Habitual actions that are part of your life. But stop for a moment, take a close look at your currency, your stamp, your banknote that you have in your wallet at the moment and that you will most likely not have it tomorrow, because you will have given it to some shopkeeper to buy yourself some food, clothes, or simply the object of your desires. So we tell you something. Did you know that statistically speaking, a person exchanges every 5 years, an object or money, for a much higher value than it can be worth, without knowing it and without earning anything? Yet just inquire, and maybe with those $10 you could buy yourself a car, or with that $1 bill you could buy a smartphone, or the luckiest ones, could find themselves a 1-cent coin, which instead of giving it to the shopkeeper, they would sell it in the collector's market, and get what it takes to buy a nice house. So here we are, with our videos we will help you understand how much your money could really be worth, and much more.